These are my salt and pepper shakers from Amazon. They are so stinking cute. They match my decor beautifully. Actually, they can match any decor. You just turn the tops. I can't do it now because I have one hand, but you twist there. You twist that, twist the pepper, comes out easily, fills easily. They just look so pretty on any countertop. I love them.
I love these. They are really good quality. Yeah, I love them. The color is so pretty and it feels really good in my hands, like heavy. So, highly recommend.